Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DaVinci Resolve Color Managed Workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate DaVinci Resolve Color Managed Workflow, start by launching the application. Open the project you want to work on. Navigate to the Project Settings menu located in the lower right corner. In the Project Settings window, find and select the Color Management tab. Set the Color Science drop-down to DaVinci YRGB Color Managed. Next, choose your desired color processing mode. For optimal results, select Timeline Color Space from the Pick a timeline color space that matches your workflow, such as Rec.709 or Rec.2020. Adjust the output color space according to your delivery requirements. In the Input Color Space section, you will assign a color space for your media. If unsure, refer to the specifications of your footage and select the appropriate option. Once you have configured the color management settings, click Save to apply your changes. After saving, return to your project timeline. Check if the color managed settings are effectively altering the appearance of your clips. Feel free to make minor adjustments to the individual clips for enhanced results. To preview the changes, use the color page to examine the corrected footage. When everything looks good, proceed with your editing and color grading process. Utilizing the color managed workflow will streamline your process and help maintain consistency throughout your project. This concludes the detailed guide on activating the DaVinci Resolve Color Managed Workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.